What if balance is not just about standing straight or walking a tightrope, but a key to unlocking a fulfilling life? Consider the age-old wisdom contained in the Bhagavad Gita, which says, "Perform your duty equipoised, O Arjuna, abandoning all attachment to success or failure." Such equanimity is called yoga. This profound quote, spoken to Arjuna by Lord Krishna, lays bare the essence of balance in life. It is a call to action, a directive to perform one's duties without attachment to the outcomes, to remain steady in the face of success and failure. This, it says, is the true state of yoga, or balance. Perform your duty equipoised, the quote begins. This is not a call for inaction, but rather a call for action that is free of bias or preference. It is about performing one's duty, whatever that may be, with a sense of equilibrium. It's about taking action, not because of what it will bring, but because it is the right thing to do. The quote then instructs to abandon all attachment to success or failure. It is a reminder that the fruits of our actions are not in our control. Success or failure is not a result of our actions, but of circumstances beyond our control. When we let go of the attachment to the results, we free ourselves from the fear of failure and the lust for success. The quote concludes by declaring such equanimity as yoga. It is not the physical postures or breath control that we often associate with yoga, but the mental state of balance. The state where success does not inflate us, and failure does not deflate us. A state of serene indifference to the dualities of life. In summary, this quote from the Bhagavad Gita is a guide to achieving balance in life. It encourages us to perform our duties, not for the sake of success or failure, but because it is the right thing to do. It asks us to let go of our attachment to outcomes, to free ourselves from the fear of failure and the desire for success. And finally, it defines yoga, or balance, as a state of equanimity, a state of serene indifference to the dualities of life. Remember, life is not about avoiding the storms, but learning how to dance in the rain. It's about finding that inner balance that allows us to remain steady, no matter how shaky the ground beneath us may be. So, perform your duty, abandon attachment, and find your balance, because that, according to the Bhagavad Gita, is the true state of yoga.